Okay guys, so Newbies on Fire, let's get started. Let's see what you get with the starter package for $30. You get the custom design SEO powered blogging platform, video 1 introduction, video 2 personal versus company branding, video 3 invoke emotions, video 4 branding introduction, video 5 name creation, video 6 color psychology, video 7 company colors, video 8 color theme, video 9 custom logo creation, video 10 custom mascot creation. Now the basic package, 110, it also includes what I just showed you, plus video 1 introduction and overview, video 2 research your competition, video 3 basics of profiling, video 4 gathering more intel, video 5 shortcuts, video 6 a typical day, video 7 media mapping, video 8 buying habits. Note the basic training unlocks basic and starter package. Now the advanced package, that unlocks all the lower levels, so everything I showed you thus far. Plus you get video 1 chatbot introduction and getting started, video 2 chatbot different usages, video 3 major chatbot mistakes, video 4 chatbot breakdown, video 5 increased conversions, video 6 chatbot brainstorm, video 7 organize your bot ideas, video 8 chatbot mockup, video 9 chatbot implementation. Next we're going to go over the elite package. So the elite package includes everything I showed you to this point, plus video 1 create and launch new product introductions, video 2 ideas, video 3 product creation, video 4 writing sales letters, video 5 create upsells, video 6 choosing a platform, video 7 launching. Video 1 introduction and tools, video 2 your products, video 3 price points, video 4 map it out, video 5 platforms, video 6 required site pages, video 7 recommended scripts, video 8 setting up part 1, video 9 setting up part 2, customer retention, video 1 introduction to increasing your retention rate, video 2 when they first join, video 3 quick start training videos, video 4 site layout and navigation, video 5 what software should you use, video 6 public recognition, video 7 grandfather pricing, video 8 creating a content democracy, video 9 releasing your content. You can see the diamond package unlocks everything you see here. As you see Elena right there, she earned $1,000 providing the diamond package, which includes everything up until this point, plus video 1 overviewing and pricing, video 2 navigation and admin, video 3 new Google Analytics account, video 4 website account creation, video 5 connecting to WordPress, plus 15 more videos on Google Analytics mastery. Zapier automation, video 1 overview and pricing, video 2 navigating the interface, video 3 Zapier integrations by search, video 4 Zapier integrations by internal search, video 5 autoresponder app integrations part 1, plus 15 more videos. SendGrid Beast, video 1 overview, video 2 pricing and billing, video 3 account details and settings, video 4 SendGrid for transactions, video 5 creating transactional templates, plus 15 more. Total cost to get started, $1,097 one time, $550 one time, $275 one time, $110 one time, or $30 one time. Keep in mind, if you don't know how these products can help you because you don't know what's included in them or what this all is about, keep in mind that's the exact purpose of the product, is to teach you what that's about. So we're going to go over to the leaderboards. As you can see, people are earning money, and now I'm going to briefly show you the compensation plan.
We have created the most powerful, turnkey, foolproof system in the world today. If you're serious about achieving total financial freedom, then you are finally at the right place at the right time. The system is really quite simple, but don't let that fool you. It's very powerful. Using our direct member-to-member tracking software, the system will tell you who to send to, how much, where, and any specific methods of receipt the member accepts. It's brilliant, and it all works behind the scenes, without effort from you. The plan is called a reverse two-up system. Here's how it works. Let's say you refer Ellen, John, Patty, and Peggy. The reverse two-up is designed to send the funds to you first. So by referring Ellen, you have now received what you sent to your inviter. How cool is that? Patty, your third person, also sends to you. You can refer as many people as you'd like. Every person, from the fifth person to infinity that you refer, all stay direct to you, each of which will send the funds to you directly, and also refer thereto, who refer thereto, who refer thereto, and so on to infinity. Now here's where it gets really exciting. It's called vertical acceleration. The second and fourth, in this case John and Peggy, are coded by the system to roll up to your inviter as your qualifying referrals. You are now qualified for life. Now before you get concerned that two people you referred were given away, that's exactly why vertical acceleration is so powerful. It's duplication in action. Duplication in action. Let me explain. Every person you keep, in this case Ellen and Patty, now have to do the same thing you just did. In order to be fully qualified, they must refer their second and fourth person up. For example, let's say Ellen refers Mike and Steve, and Patty refers Mary and Paul. That means that a total of 4 new people are now designated by the software to send to you and roll up to your direct line. They are now considered to be personally referred by you. But it doesn't end there. Now that Mike, Steve, Mary, and Paul are now direct to you, in order for them to be fully qualified, they also have to refer their second and fourth to you. This roll-up and qualification process happens forever, and it's your freedom ticket. So there you have it. Simple, powerful, and it can change your financial picture fast.
Now, Newbies on Fire is a standalone system. You get access to a rotator. This allows you to generate traffic to any link you want and split that traffic in between any links you choose. You got your commission reports, which shows your earnings. You set up your own merchant payment processor. You get notifications to your email or cell phone. The email broadcast, this allows you to email every lead you generate or every contact that your system produces for you all at once. Your contacts, all your contacts are stored here. Now how you do that is you start with the pages button. So the pages, you get capture pages, which collect contact information from people. The same page you've seen mine's, you get them with Newbies on Fire as well. And then you follow through the system. Everything's automated, and that leads up to a sale, which means more money in your bank account. So take action and join the team today. And if you need more information to get started, click more information below.